Hey everyone, this is Donnie. I just made it up to the property. I was gonna cut some trees, but already had some really strange sounds that I'm not comfortable with. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in and put a couple of flags up just to mark the old dim road that's been on the property for years. The new road, let me turn it around. This is the new road that I'm cutting. That's what's already been done. It goes all the way up there. But anyhow, I got to this point into the thick trees. I'm having trouble with that one big stump there. And then I got a bunch of other stumps that's got to come out, a bunch of trees that are down. But just right in there, about 50 foot, is where that old road that's been on the property. It runs from the north end all the way down over there somewhere. It splits and it goes to the right, which goes to the east side of the property. If you stay straight on this road, it goes all the way down to the south end of the property. But I did not know that. I didn't know it was right here. I knew it was back that way, but anyhow, I'm going to put some flags up on it. So when I start cutting, I'm going to clear it to that road so that we can use it as another access road just to get throughout the property. But I'm going to put the camera on my head. I'm not going to go in there without the camera. I walked over there and it sounded like something was moving pretty heavily in the thick brush up here, and it scared me, so I come back to the car. I'm armed, but I want to have the camera on me too, because if it is these big hairy giants, word is they do not like cameras. They are afraid of being filmed, and I think it'd be a little safer bet having the camera than the firearm when it comes to them. But I'll have both. All right, let me get my mount, my head strap. I think this is all I need. I feel like I am see, that's what I was talking about. I don't know if you guys picked that up or not. Like something moved through the brush. I know the wind's blowing, but it's a different sound when you hear something hit the actual ground. Something move across the ground. It's a different sound than something moving through the leaves of the trees. This is that stump I've been fighting with. Alright. The new road's going to be going right here. I've got this tree standing right here in front of us. This would be the north edge of the road. The south edge is going to be just past these two trees standing up right in front of us. One of them's leaning. Just past that is where the other side. It's going to be 21 foot wide. This is as far as I got with the tractor. I came through here and I cut these trees off at about 3 foot so that I can hopefully get the tractor in here, and I've got enough of a stump to use it as leverage. That's my hope. All right in there is where I heard the movement just a minute ago. Say I'm nervous. Don't even begin to express my feelings. I don't like coming in here by myself. we get the tractor up here, all of this heavy stuff, I'll be taking that mess down. We don't need any hiding spots. All right, the road is right here. I'm nervous. All right, this is the road. I got a camera right down here, about 100 feet. And then I've got to take these fallen trees down. I'm going to open that up where we can drive through it. But I'm going to mark this road so that I can see it from back there. Alright, bees, y'all leave me alone. What I do is I tie these loose, so when I do come in here and I start cutting these trees down, I'll untie that and reuse it on another spot. Yep, I'm cheap, if you're wondering. We've had a very bad year financially. With all the vet bills, and I took what little bit I had saved up and put it as down payment on my new motorbike so that I could go see my children and my grandchildren. I was not expecting a ladybug to get sick and require a surgery and then an emergency surgery, and oh my Lord. And that cost is incredible. We're so grateful. We've got some help, from Kim's family. We would sure be in a bind if we didn't. I really want to cut these trees out. I'm going to open this up, but I don't want to run the saw in here by myself because I can't hear what's going on. When I was on the tractor up here working on that big stump that I showed you, I still haven't got out. The scream came from somewhere right over here. I mean, it was really close to me. I don't want to get too far from the car. I'll walk down here, I'll show you the camera. The other camera. I'm gonna put some minerals out. I've just got to figure out where the does are crossing. The bucks, I ain't so much worried about them. But it's the does, they got babies coming. And they really need the minerals. What the heck is that? That's enough. I'm done. I'm done, guys. Never fails. There ain't nobody back here. This is all wooded. We have one neighbor way up there you got to pass to come in here. That came from back there toward Jeff's corner. And there's definitely nobody back there. That is heavily wooded. Very, very thick. Swampy. May have been an owl. I've heard 1,000 of them in my life and heard some eerie sounds, but Yeah, I don't think that was an owl. I really don't believe that to be the case. Guys, I'm gonna go home. I can't do this. My mind is just messed up over losing Ladybug, and I really don't want to deal with these things. If that's what that was, I don't want to deal with them. I think my eyes is playing tricks on me. I thought I just seen something dart across right there where I got the orange ribbons hanging back there. But if I seen it, it should be on camera because the camera's on my head. Guys, I love y'all. God bless you. I'll see you soon. And I apologize for the short video. I ain't sticking around. This ain't for me. I'll see you soon. I love you. Until next time, be safe.